Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on Flybuys. So let's get started right away. If you have already logged in from the Flybuys account application from within, then you will see the sign in button when you open up the app. But if you tap on this, you might find that your login information might have been saved as well. So in order to sign out and remove all your login information as well, simply long press on the Flybuys application and then tap on the info button at the top right corner. This will then take you into the application settings page for Flybuys. Now from this page, simply scroll down and tap on storage. From here, simply tap on the clear cache option and then tap on clear data. You will then be asked whether you want to delete your user data, so just tap on the delete button, and now this will delete all of your saved login information. Now if you go back to the Flybuys application, none of your login information will be saved. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on Flybuys. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.